Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing. For today I have BOYA BY-M1. This is a lavalier microphone which is supposed to be very good. It's often compared to Rode lavalier microphone which costs a lot more than this, and it comes highly recommended. So let's unbox it and let's have a look what we get. Before we unbox it, of course, let's have a look at the box itself. This is a box from the front, from the left. From the back you get all the specifications as well as this tag that it came with, and from the right. So nothing from the bottom, nothing from the top. Let's unbox this. Alright, let's see what's in the box. I think I took everything out. That was a very quick unboxing. Alright, so first of all, it comes with this manual, which I'm sure all of us always read. I'll put this aside. Then there is this card here that we get. That's cool. And finally, the main product is in this pouch, which I don't think this is leather, but it's still nice anyway. So let me take it out. Okay, that's everything. So here's this pouch again. Pretty cool. Put this aside. We don't need this. Let's start with accessories first. First of all, the link I bought this from on Amazon included this dead cat filter as a bonus when you bought it from them. So it came with this microphone by default, but it's not usually included as part of the packaging. Let's have a look at this dead cat. This is used for when you want to eliminate wind noises. This is pretty cool to have. So I can feel there's this little thing here where you put this on the microphone. So that's cool. Okay, I'll put this aside. Next we get this accessories. So first of all, there's this filter. This actually comes with a microphone, so you will get this. Let's put it here. Next we get this battery. You need this battery if you use this microphone with non-smartphones such as DSLRs. There is this little adapter here, 3.5 millimeter to I forgot, is this quarter-inch adapter? I don't remember, but you know what this is. Finally, a little clip-on for your lapel. Not exactly sure how this works yet, but I'll figure this. Oh, there you go. There you go. So that's how it clips on, and this clips on your microphone. That's cool. Now let's have a look at the microphone. So here's the microphone itself. It's not very heavy. The cable is very long, as you can see. There's a standard 3.5 millimeter adapter, which not many phones have anymore, unfortunately. This is the microphone itself. Let me give you a closer look here. There you go. This is what the microphone looks like. This little thing here is used to switch between the microphone and between the smartphone mode and the camera's mode. So if you are planning to use this with your smartphone, you can leave it in this, and then you don't need the battery. If you're planning to use this with your cameras, then you need to switch it up to the camera, and then you will need to use this battery right here. So let me put this back. Let's actually open it up and see what it's like inside. The thread is pretty good, and there you have it. That's where the battery goes. I'm planning to use this only with the smartphones, so I am not going to need that battery. There's this little clip as well to clip it onto your maybe pants. This does not come off. Oh, actually it does come off. There's a little screw here, so you can remove this if you don't want it to. So this is pretty much it for this unboxing. Now what I want to do is I want to actually test out this microphone and see how good it is. So what I'm going to do is I'll give you samples from, first of all, from Google Pixel, which is this phone right now. Then I'm gonna use a Nokia 808 PureView, which was, until now, it was my phone to, if I wanted some high quality audio, I used that phone. And finally, I'm gonna record it with this microphone, and let's see how the audio compares. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a mic test. I'm about 30 centimeters away from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a mic test. I'm about 30 centimeters away from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a mic test. I'm about 30 centimeters away from it. And right now I am about 1 meter away from the microphone. And right now I'm about 1 meter away from the microphone. And right now I'm about 1 meter away from the microphone. Okay, so I listened to all 3 clips, and this microphone to me sounded louder and cleaner than the other 2. I did no alterations or modifications or adjustments to any of those microphones, so they were all stock, and this one sounded better to me, which is great. In fact, this video clip should sound better to you as well, because I'm recording it with this microphone right now. So my conclusion is that I think this is a great microphone, and it's a definite upgrade from me over the stock audio that my phone provides. So I'll be using this mic for my future unboxings and reviews. I would definitely recommend you this mic as well. So this pretty much concludes the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave me a like. I always appreciate that, and subscribe for more videos because I'll be doing more unboxings, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.